there's a lot of ways to go into it. So let's say you DM'd me one of my words. Let me show you all of my saved replies. These are my saved replies. Notice that most of them are Calendly, courses, they're links. A lot of these other things I created years ago and I don't use them. Just like you can see that I have like hundreds of thousands of bookmarks from years ago. I don't remove anything for some reason. I just won't clean out my computer. My husband yells at me. But anyway, most of my stuff is links. And the reason for that is when they DM me the word, then I use that. Like right now, I'm promoting this quiz. So when they DM me quiz, I type in quiz and Instagram says, oh, you have a saved reply with that word. Let me show you that again. When I'm in here, these saved replies all have a word with them. So then I type that word or 45-minute or whatever, and it pulls up that quick reply. That saves you so much time. So get people to DM you the word and then save a saved reply with that word to send them the link.